my dudes? Welcome back to Bonnie the Killer. Today we're doing more Funkos, but this time is Nightmare Freddy and Shadow Freddy, the Hot Topic exclusive. I got these from Hot Topic, so I like to review these. So let's start with Nightmare Freddy. So this is Nightmare Freddy. On the front it shows Up Games Nightmare Freddy 111. On the back, it shows 6 characters you can get. Freddy, Bonnie, Chica, Foxy, Springtrap, and Nightmare Freddy. I got Nightmare Freddy. This is the front of Nightmare Freddy. And yeah, let's get to the unboxing of Nightmare Freddy. Okay, guys, this is Nightmare Freddy. You know what he looks like in the game? Like you saw my Five Nights at Freddy's Part 1 video. He looks like Tear with sharp teeth, and he has red eyes, and he has Tear in his ears, and he had Tear in his hat. He had a bow tie, and he tears. He got sharp claws in his hands, and he got robot tears. So yeah, that's Nightmare Freddy. Okay, on to our next one, Shadow Freddy. I got a Hot Topic. New, it says it's a Hot Topic exclusive. So same thing on the front, back, and front. So yeah. So this is Shadow Freddy. He looks purple, and he has white eyes without his eyeballs. He has eyebrows and white purple ears. He has a microphone, and he has a spot on his face, and he has nose, and he has teeth, and he has a black bow tie like the one in Nightmare Freddy. He has purple feet. So yeah. You want me to do a video of Bonnie and Springtrap? I'll do a video of that. So that's our Nightmare Freddy and Shadow Freddy Funko unboxing. If you want to see the Shadow Freddy and you want to see the Springtrap and Bonnie, make sure you comment down below, subscribe, give it a thumbs up. Peace out.